Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys so much. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing some wigs. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to focus this camera because I hate how it keeps going in and out of focus. It's yeah, I think I'm gonna try to focus this and then come back and talk to y'all. Baby, can you focus? Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. I'm really excited to do another video for you guys today because this one's going to be really fun. So we're gonna play today in this orange unit that I got from eBay. Y'all probably know one of my favorites here on YouTube is her style. She's always rocking these amazing wigs. She definitely styles and customizes them very well. So she's quick to make me like buy something. This girl. But anyway, so she got me really hyped not too long ago on this unit here, and I purchased her on eBay. Now this wig sold out so fast because I don't know if they had they didn't have that many, but I did take the tip from her to get it in yaki because I wanted it in yaki texture instead of silky, because what you guys don't know is color is fun, but it's more fun in yaki or human hair texture because of the fact that you get a shiny look with synthetic units, with most synthetic units. So in order to not for it to not look fake, you usually have to dull down the shininess. With yaki textured hair is the closest you're gonna get to a dull look, especially with color. So most times I want to get a yaki textured wig if it has color, or a human hair, just human hair in general wig if it is in color. So this is a synthetic unit. You can use heat on this unit. I definitely love that because it is very thick. I've worn this unit out already and gotten plenty of compliments on it. A lot of people like this wig. I wore it out once, I think, once or twice. I wore this wig out, and so it looks kind of stringy and crazy right now, but I'm going to comb her. I think I have some footage when I first took her out of the pack, so I'm going to share that with you guys, but it does come with lace, a lot of lace. The inside of this cap is absolutely just very durable. You can tell this is going to have longevity. As far as the cap, it's not your usual cap construction with synthetic wigs, so you can tell this is a very durable cap. It has combs on the inside on either side. It has three actually at the top. It has three combs at the top there, and then it has one at the nape. Does it? No? I'm just so used to saying that these have comb at the nape, but this doesn't have a comb at the nape at all. But it does have an adjustable strap, which I used in order to get a more flushed look and have it lay against my scalp as much as possible. It's looking kind of crazy right now, but it's very thick. So thick and beautiful. So I'm gonna brush this out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how you can flat iron this and put it back on your head. I absolutely love this unit. The parting space looks like so, and it gives you a lot of parting space, you guys, like a lot of parting space. I don't know if you guys see that. Yeah, there we go. So it gives you a lot of parting space, and you can actually part anywhere within this region. So wherever you see this lace, that's where you can obviously part, which is good enough, because if you wanted to make it a side part, you can switch it from on either side. I really love this wig, and a lot of people complimented and liked it. It reminds me a lot of Sky from Love and Hip Hop, so I'm probably going to use her as my thumbnail. You get mad, she get oily. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, even though this side isn't really all the way together just yet, this side is the side that I kind of revamped, and this side is the side that you get, this side is a side that you get from, you know, being out on the town having a good time. I'm going to show you guys what I did to this side. Do here, and I really haven't even run my flat iron through it yet, so that shows just a little bit of brushing basically it looked just like this, and all I did to this side was brush it out. And so now that it's been brushed out, this is what it looks like just brushing it out. And then I'm gonna pass my flat iron through it. And the temperature that I have this on right now is 380, which is probably a lot, but I'm only gonna pass it through. It's just really, really thick, so it kind of needs some heat. All right, so I'm just gonna run it through, not long enough to have like that crinkle, you know, that synthetic crinkle. See, it's probably already starting to have that. I don't want that. I just want to run it through really quickly, just kind of pass it through a couple times. So I don't want it to like burn. I definitely don't want it to have that whole synthetic crinkle, because this is synthetic. All right, so I even just grab some, you can just grab the bottom there and just pass it through the ends. So nothing major, you really don't need much to make this wig work. Now I didn't put my, you could probably see my wig cap under there. I haven't put the adjustable strap together yet, so you can see underneath there. But once you do, you're not supposed to see that. So yeah. So this is side A, and this is side B. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing over on this side, and so I'm gonna give you guys a little demo real quick. So all I did was take like a little paddle brush, my crazy looking paddle brush here, and with synthetic units, even with your human hair units, I try to tell my clients this all the time, start from the bottom and work your way up. Do not start up here and start jacking it down. You're ruining the wig that way. You're gonna cause more shedding for yourself, more tangling for yourself, and just make it take even longer than it needs to take. So just take your time and literally go through the ends first. And sometimes it helps to just go through, basically just start with little pieces. That helps. It's less frustrating. It takes a little bit longer, but it gets the job done. So detangle and brush. And brush, 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 brush. Detangle. We're going to start by just detangling the sections. Detangle the wig all together. Detangle it and then go in for the major brushing of it. But detangle first. You can throw this to the side. Grab from the bottom, and this is the worst part. The inside, the inner part is what usually gets tangled the most, because it's just rubbing up against your neck. It's getting all this friction and it just tangles all night. It looks pretty good. Oh, I'm kind of pulling it off of my head because I'm brushing aggressively. So you can definitely do this on a mannequin head instead. So I'm going to link down in the description box a link to it. I'm not sure if this wig is still available, but I will be linking down in the description box a link to the wig, where I got it from, and also what I ordered, so that you guys can order exactly this if this is what you want. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial / review. So this is the beautiful orange unit that I wanted to share with you guys today. It looks really, really nice now that I've passed my flat iron through it. I really like it. In wig world, in the wig realm, that is a plus when you know you have a wig that is gonna have those bad days and be crazy looking, but you know you can revamp it. That is gold. Okay, are able to find this wig online as well. Shout out to Her Style for basically putting me on to another dope ass wig. This one is it's fun. It's live, y'all. This wig is live. Okay, guys, so I'm going to leave you here. I love you guys so much. Please, please, please subscribe and stay tuned. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal. MF can't mess with me. You get mad. She get oily. This MF can't mess with me. She get mad. She get oily. She get oily. She get oily. I'm fried chicken on the fish. She get oily.